In a faraway land, there was a tiny village where all the animals lived harmoniously together. One day, a mischievous fox named Felix arrived in the village and started causing trouble. Felix would play pranks on the other animals, steal their food, and disrupt the peace of the village. The animals were scared and didn't know what to do. They decided to seek the help of a wise old tortoise named Timothy. Timothy listened carefully to the animals' concerns and came up with a clever plan. He called for a village meeting and proposed a friendly competition to challenge Felix's mischievous ways. The competition involved a series of tasks that required teamwork and problem-solving skills. The animals worked together, using their unique abilities to overcome each challenge. As the final task approached, Felix realized that he couldn't win on his own. Feeling left out and lonely, he watched as the animals bonded over the competition. In a moment of realization, Felix apologized for his actions and asked to join the animals in the last task. Together, all the animals and Felix completed the final task, showcasing the power of unity and forgiveness. From that day on, Felix became a valued member of the village, using his cleverness for good. The village celebrated their victory with a joyful feast, and the lesson of working together and showing kindness to others was never forgotten in the tiny village where animals lived in harmony.